Guys, I'm about to show you how to clean up poop from your mailbox. My birds have been killing the mailbox, like killing the mailbox. So I'm about to go clean it up. First, what I did was I sprayed it with the hose. And now I'm about to find your craziest looking towel that you can find. Put some Dawn inside there, a little bit of Dawn, and some hot water. And you'll be using some gloves. Let's go get it clean. And when I say they have been pooping some seriously, it was all poop, like all poop on, and also right here. So again, like I said, I have this. I am about to put on my gloves, and I am about to take the towel, put it inside there, and just clean the mailbox, clean the mailbox, clean the pole, all of that. Okay, that's what we about to do. And I'm telling you, I have a brand looking new mailbox, quick and easy. Don't have to use a lot of water. I have such little water inside there, such little Dawn, and I like the smell of Fabuloso. And here we go. I rinsed it off, and I am about to just clean each one. I'm telling you, the longer you let it sit, the harder it is to clean. But with Dawn, y'all, Dawn get everything clean. So let me go ahead and get this clean, and I'll come back. And don't forget to subscribe for more with my little quick tips of how to do things around the house. DIY. You don't got to pay nobody for nothing. You do it yourself if you can, to a certain degree. All right. It's completely clean and it smells good. And my little number came off. But all I'm going to do is just put some super glue on it and I'm going to glue it on. I'm also going to look to see if they have some numbers, because I'll probably replace my numbers. I was wondering, how do you replace the numbers? And I see they just stick on. Again, since it came off, I am just going to super glue it on. But stay tuned to that video. I'm going to show you guys how to change your numbers on your mailbox. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more. I would love for you to follow me and comment, because that really makes my videos be seen by other people. And I love your support, and it's free, and I appreciate it. Okay, bye guys. The poop is gone. These two guys, I just throw away that towel. I throw away that towel, throw away gloves, because you want to be sanitary. Again, that is bird poop, and bird poop can really cause, you got to make sure you dispose of it right. Okay?